Welcome to our channel, where we bring you fascinating and little-known facts about some of the most famous historical figures of all time. Abraham Lincoln. Our first historical figure is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Did you know that Lincoln was actually a talented wrestler in his youth? As a 21-year-old in 1830, was the wrestling champion of his county in Illinois. At this time, while working at a store in New Salem, Illinois, Lincoln had a famous bout with Jack Armstrong, also a county wrestling champion. Leonardo da Vinci. Next up is Leonardo da Vinci, the famous Italian artist and inventor. Although he is known for his artistic talents, did you know that he was also a skilled musician? In addition to playing the lute and lyre, da Vinci was a talented singer and composer. He also had a unique writing style, which he developed by writing his notes backwards in mirror image. Cleopatra. Our third historical figure is Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egypt. Despite popular belief, Cleopatra was not actually Egyptian, but rather of Greek heritage. Cleopatra was a Ptolemy who were a Macedonian family descended from one of the generals of Alexander the Great. They ruled Egypt for roughly 3 centuries before Cleopatra was defeated and Egypt became a Roman province. Albert Einstein. The fourth historical figure on our list is Albert Einstein, the famous physicist and mathematician. Although he is known for his groundbreaking work in science, did you know that Einstein struggled with language as a child? He didn't start speaking until he was 3 years old and had difficulty learning German in school. Einstein was also an accomplished musician, playing the violin and piano throughout his life. Vincent van Gogh. Next historical figure is Vincent van Gogh, the Dutch post-impressionist painter. Did you know that Van Gogh only sold one painting in his lifetime? Despite his lack of commercial success, Van Gogh created some of the most beloved and recognizable paintings in the world, including Starry Night and Sunflowers. Van Gogh also struggled with mental illness throughout his life, which contributed to his famously tumultuous personal life. Despite his struggles, Van Gogh's legacy continues to inspire and influence artists and art lovers alike. Martin Luther King Jr. Our sixth historical figure is Martin Luther King Jr., the American civil rights leader. Although he is known for his powerful speeches and activism, did you know that King was also a gifted musician? He played both the piano and the organ and often used music to inspire and motivate his followers. King was also a prolific writer and author, with many of his speeches and essays still being studied today. Marie Curie. Our final historical figure is Marie Curie, the famous physicist and chemist. Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes in different fields of science. She was also a pioneer in the field of radioactivity, developing techniques for isolating radioactive isotopes. Despite her groundbreaking work, Curie faced discrimination and prejudice due to her gender throughout her career. Well, that concludes our exploration of 7 little-known facts about some of the most famous historical figures of all time. It's fascinating to think about the hidden talents and quirks of these icons, and how they shaped their lives and legacies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching.